All right, thanks, Mike. We have Amber Redmond, who is a New Generation singer, along with Logan Pettis, and their sponsor, Phyllis Myers. And I want to thank you for being here. And we're not singing today, but you're here to ask people to help so you can continue to sing, right?
Yes, we're having our annual auction this year, and it's this Saturday. And basically, it's a fundraiser so we can go on tour, which is coming up this summer, and it's our 35th anniversary, and we would really appreciate it if people would come to help us raise money for that.
So talk about this tour. I know a lot of people hear about the New Generation singers, but they don't understand this is a big tour that you hit other parts of the country to bring the message.
Yes, basically since we're a non-denominational Christian group, we have multi-denominations. We go around the United States for 2 weeks, and we sing just in different churches, and we spread the word of the Lord, and we do the best that we can. And it's a group that varies from about 50 to 100 to, at one point, I guess 150 almost, kids that just go around, teenagers. And we could be doing anything else, but that's what we like to do.
That's what you do. So I understand this is the 35th year for New Generation singers, and you're part of this tour. There's also some significance of where you're going to be to celebrate your anniversary along with another anniversary.
Yes, what we're trying to do is recreate the first tour that New G ever took, which is going southwest. And that means we get to hit the Grand Canyon, and we also get to go up through California, and we get to go to Disneyland, and it's their 50th anniversary and our 35th, so we're going to share it together, kind of.
Sounds like a pretty good idea. Now tell us, the auction, he says, this Saturday, doors open 8 o'clock, but the actual auction starts at 9, correct?
Yes.
Got some items here we want to share. We're going to put Logan on the spot.
We've got dining room table and chairs, a mini refrigerator, an antique pie safe. I'm kind of interested to see what that is myself. Antique tools, miscellaneous hand tools, just
a wide variety of items.
Yes, we do. And there will be a concession stand all day. So you guys can come and stay all day and eat breakfast and lunch and dinner there. There you go. Buy up all the items.
Well, we can't forget Phyllis here on the end. You are a sponsor for one of many sponsors for this group. What is it like to see these kids really get into this and travel?
It's great. We have 6 married couples that meet with the kids every Sunday night, and the kids run the group, but we are there as more or less chaperones and enablers, to help them along. But they do all the work, and it's great to see how hard they work, and the dedication they have to the group. It's great. Because they not only go on the 2-week tour, they sing all around the Midwest here in the June and July.
Kind of leading up to the big trip.
Right.
Okay. Well, let's tell them, we're almost out of time. Let's tell them one more time when this auction is and where it is and all that.
It's Saturday, and doors open at 8. The auction actually begins at 9, and it's located at Ashland United Methodist Church.
Okay. Now, we do not have that up on the graphic, but it is Ashland United Methodist Church.
Yes, it is.
Okay, I want to thank you all for being with us today.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you. Straight ahead, why you should not give bunnies, chicks, or ducks is Easter Pet. Plus, Weight Watchers shows us how to make another low-fat dish. That's later on Live at 5. Stay with us.